review that we have solved two problems. One, the labeling, remember with two, size 2, and then the excess of background. Now I'm going to show you something that I already talk and I think you already watched, but I'm going to do it very fast. I'm going to take the movie from Sonia here, uh, and I'm going to take, and here you can take it with the movie from Sonia. I'm going to take the movie from Levi, sorry, and to show you how to follow those steps that although Levi, so let me start with this. So this is his movie. Imagine that you already correct the two things that I told you. You can watch it here. And the difference between the work with Sonia and with Levi is that Sonia labels some cells red and some of them blue. Here, Levi labeled it white, but it still works. So here we open the original data with red and blue, or with white is fine. If you label it with another color, it's still fine. So now the next step, and you can, if you see here, is to split the channels. So you have to go here to let me image and colors. So image, color, split channels, and here before it was RGB. If you see red, green, and blue, so here is red, green, and blue. All these three that you see here. So here you see each one here says red, green, and blue. So next, let's go to the next step. Now you say merge the colors. And here you can see the red and the blue. And they said one thing they said is get rid of the green. So I got rid of the green. Why? Because in the green you have the other tumor, so it will make a lot of background, and it will be more difficult for you to remove the background, the thing that you didn't label. So now you have these two, and now we're going to merge it. How you do it? Very easy. Image, color, and merge. And you have the red and the blue, and you don't have green anymore. And you have to no composite, because if you do that, the channels will mix. So, or I mean, it will be different and it will be more difficult to do it. And you can try it. Here is okay. I'm just going to tell you. Look, here you have, as you have no composite, you have only one line. If you have two, if you put composite, you will have two lines, one with green and one with red, and the other one with blue. So this is why you get this pink color. And here in all this process, you could have every step. You can just go and save as a TIFF in the folder, yeah, in uh, in when you split, when you merge, or here that we are going to do the color balance. Yeah, I'm not saving just because this is just a try. So look, then you go color, you go, oh sorry, adjust, then you say color balance, and here is very important, all, if you see all here, and you are going to move here. So look, you are going to start seeing all the colors disappear, yeah, and if you go all the way, all of them disappear. And if you go, so 255 and 255, now let's go to 254. So you have many of the colors that you need. Yeah, you have most of the things are good. So you just go apply. Yeah, if you do this one, you get more and more. So you just go and get 254 or something close, and you can do the same thing with other ones. Look, yeah, 254, and look, it gets very close. Here is even easier. Look, 254. Yeah, it removed most of that, and the other thing we can remove it in the way that I explained before. So this is very easy. So let's reset everything and do this. 254, and you just have to do it with one, and then you have to apply. And when it says to apply, you can do it for each slide, or you can do it and you can tell do it. I don't need that you do it only in this slide. I need that you do it in all of them, and this is the easiest way. And let me see if you see it work. It work. Here you have to remove this manually. You have to remove this manually. But here you can already save, and it's very easy. Then you can imagine that you already cleaned the background. You can go here to image type 8-bit, and this look good. Then you make it binary, and you can make it binary. Here it is. And here you have white and black because now it's binary. It looks pretty good. And then you can go later to analyze particles, and you can set this up, and remember to have outlines and all the things that we as is indicated here, and continue just doing exactly the same thing that we did with the embryos in the developmental biology class. And here you have the results that you can copy it to make in the software that you want. I use Excel to make the graph that you want. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I think this is not complicated, but there is always small things, small problems. And remember, you have to have the scale bar before you analyze the data here. Remember that this should you have to have the scale bar before. Okay, have a good day, and we'll be in contact.